Hello my dear students. Hope you all are well. Today we will learn a new chapter from our book and the name of the chapter is Sounds of Animals from page number 6. Around our home we can see many animals and we hear a lot of sounds from them. As we talk, they also make some sounds to communicate. So let's learn what are the sounds of the animals. A cock crows. A cock crows. A cat mews. A cat mews. A crow caws. A crow caws. A dog barks. A dog barks. A sparrow chirps. A sparrow chirps. A donkey brays. A donkey brays. A snake hisses. A snake hisses. A goat bleats. A goat bleats. A monkey chatters. A monkey chatters. A horse neighs. A horse neighs. An elephant trumpets. An elephant trumpets. Thank you children. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Learn it at home properly and with proper pronunciation. So bye bye.